今撮ってきた。
So for main beam, you understand what I mean? Well, I've used one of those to turn on the wipers, windscreen wipers, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel or look, you just so that was really good for the wipers. And the lights is on the indicator. Well, that's a really good idea. Well, yeah, it means that your concentration is not affected when you're driving like that. So you can have one wipe of the windscreen without taking your eyes away from the Yeah, it's a good idea. Thank you. Very nice, thank you. Very nice to have your support and the sorry to be forward now. You've got a good race going on behind.
Last year, did you sign with the future and help?
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah. Get all the sign as many as you want. No problem.
Yes, thank you.
Have you got a sharpener?